Hey YouTube family! So welcome to another video all about my armpits. Hope you enjoy. So in this video I'll go over my experience with using Primal Pit Paste products, and I'll also give an update on my natural deodorant quest. If you guys are interested, I will also link for you guys my other deodorant update videos and my other review videos of other deodorants that I've tried over the past year or so. So I'll link those above and below for you guys to check it out, so you guys can get caught up. Get caught up on all the business about my armpits. Just catch up on my armpit business. This is about Primal Pit Paste, and the reason why I wanted to do this video is because people was asking. And because, I like to update you guys. This hair is just, okay, wait. As far as Primal Pit Paste goes, I tried a long time ago one of their deodorants, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So because I enjoyed it, I said, why not go ahead and try them again? So a few months ago, I ordered their sample pack. So on their website, you can get a sample pack where you get to try, I think, all, if not all, most of their deodorants. And you get a pack of 6, I believe, for about $20. So I ordered that, and I shared it with my husband. I took 4, I believe, and he took 2. And my experience with using that was quite interesting. Some of them were wonderful. Some worked for me, some I liked. Others I didn't like, and others I broke out, and it was just like, I don't know if it's the smell, I don't know what it was about it. So I had my ups and downs with it, but that could just be because of my personal body chemistry, not necessarily with the product itself. And what that I mean is, I find that when I use products or deodorants that contain baking soda, I usually develop a rash or some kind of irritant underneath my arm, and it just doesn't work out for me. But I wanted to give Primal Pit Paste a try because they had such great reviews, and the one product that I did try a long time ago, it wasn't that bad. So out of all 6, let's see, the ones that I like the most were there's a coconut one. I think it's coconut lime. Coconut lime is one of my favorite scents. I don't have it right here because my husband, actually, that's his favorite scent also, and he stole that one, so I don't have it here with me. So coconut lime is one of my favorite scents. That was the one that I tried a while back, and it worked fine for me. It didn't have any issue. I didn't get to use it this time because my husband was using it, so can't really comment about that one, except the first time I tried it. It was perfectly fine. Next one that I liked was basically this is what the sample, I forgot to show you guys. This is what the sample pack looks like. This is the container size. And they're all empty. I finished all of them. So this one is Jacked Up Jasmine. I love the way this one smells. A very light floral scent. Very nice. This one works for me fine also. I don't think I experienced any issues with this one. Orange Creamsicle, another favorite that I enjoyed. This one also as well, I don't think I experienced any major issue with Orange Creamsicle. And those are the 3 that, well, the 2 that I have here, and Coconut Lime that I didn't have any issues with. These next 3 right here is when I started encountering problems, and I don't know why. For example, lavender. It's a very mild, mild fragrance, mild fruit, mild plants. I love the smell of it, but I don't know what it was that I started to develop a rash, and my armpits began to get darker after I started using lavender. And then I stopped using it for a while, and I moved on to thyme and lemongrass, which smells absolutely divine. Like, I love the smell of lemongrass. And the rash continued. So this one still has a little bit of product in there, not much, but a little bit. I didn't finish this one out either because I thought it wasn't working well with my armpits. And then there is Regal Rogue, which I'll show you guys. Basically full. I tried it like twice. My husband tried it. We didn't care much for it. We don't care for the scent. And then my armpits continue to break out as well. Now, the breaking out of my armpits could be due to a few things. The fact that, like I said, baking soda in deodorant products does break out my armpits, but it didn't happen before when I tried the first Primal Pit Paste. But it could be the fact that when I was trying this set, I tried these ones first, and I tried the orange creamsicle, then I went on to jacked up jasmine, and then I started moving on to the other one. So over time that baking soda started to build up, and it was just too much baking soda. So that could be why, like, just the influx of baking soda over time. So maybe if I started one of these other ones that I don't like first, maybe I would have had different results. Could be, I don't know. And it could just be maybe the configuration of these ones, maybe the scents. I don't know what it is. But all in all, 3 worked out for me, which is the orange creamsicle, the jacked up jasmine, and the coconut lime. And the lavender, the Regal Rogue, and the thyme and lemongrass was just a no for me. And I can't blame the company because it worked. I hear good reviews about it. It works for many other people. I'm not bashing it. I'm just telling you my experience. It works for a lot of people. It just didn't work out for me, just because of my body chemistry, and I just don't take well to baking soda. And I also did a armpit detox recently that was recommended by Zuzu Natural here on YouTube. I'll link that video that she did below of how to do an armpit detox, and that worked out fine. That cleared up the rash under my armpit beautifully. My armpits are nice and smooth now. So thank you, Zuzu, for that recommendation, because that armpit detox really did help that rash, that itchiness, that darkness that I had. It really helped. So I did the armpit detox, and then I went back to my old faithful, which is the La Vanilla. This one seems to work for me pretty well, and I just went back to this one. We've been in matchmaking heaven ever since, and yeah, that's the update. La Vanilla is working for me now. I will still purchase Primal Pit Paste again. I will just make sure I stick to the 3 scents, the 3 scents that work for me. And I will update you guys again if I have any other issues with the armpits. So that is all. That's all for the armpit update. Nothing too long. Any questions, leave it in the description bar. I'll make sure, not the description bar. Any questions, leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure to answer it. And that's it. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.